In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Sankey chart in Monarch Money. Let's get started. The Sankey chart is a visual way to track your cash flow, showing how your income moves into savings and then into different expense categories. The width of each flow represents how much money is being spent, so you can quickly spot where most of your money is going. To access it, go to Reports, then open Cash Flow or the Spending tab. From there, select the Sankey view from the chart options. You can also adjust the time period, like this month or last year, and the chart will update instantly. On the left side, you'll see your income sources. In the middle, you'll find your savings, and on the right, your expenses, usually sorted from highest to lowest. You can hover over any flow to see the exact amount or click it to drill down into more details like subcategories or merchants. You can also customize the view by applying filters like account, category, tag, or merchant. This helps you focus on specific spending patterns and understand your finances more clearly. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.